Hey friends, we'll be back into this our second video on learning jQuery with OSP Pro. And now on this video today, I'm going to be breaking for you guys some few little things before we really go into coding. Before you go into any playing with any code, I want us to first master some few things that I need you actually to be with, so that you can polish that stuff very well. What do you really need to know before learning jQuery? What do you need to understand? What do you need to have? I don't want us to just rush to the course and you find it hard. You may be a good teacher, but your student, you didn't inform them earlier how best the stuff is going to move like. So I'm going to just break this down to you guys so that you can always find it the best way or the easiest way. Before you go into the real any coding with the jQuery, I encourage you guys, like I may say in a simple term, the first concept in any programming, on any field of programming, if you're joining any programming language, the first thing to understand is the concept. I mean, how the thing is going to move like. What are the requirements? The main thing before you understand the concept, like coding, whatever, is what are the real requirements. Now I encourage you guys to at least have a complete basic on JavaScript. Get a complete basic on JavaScript so that you can get the best out of this. Then on the other way around, also encourage you guys to be a little bit familiar with CSS to some extent, because there will be steps, parts where we shall also be using some CSS. And I really encourage you guys to have some basic on CSS so that you can break these things down together. So if you have some basic on CSS, I will simply say good to go, because CSS will give us a chance to do all of the stuffs, most of the stuffs we shall be using on our jQuery. Most cases, I will say that. Okay. And another thing that I also encourage you guys to have with you is that I'm going to be using a PC. So if you guys are watching my videos on your phone and practicing on the phone is good, but will not give you good responsiveness based on what we are going to be doing practically. We are going to be testing up different stuffs, handling them different ways, and breaking them down together and giving us a complete output based on where we needed them to be like. Remember, you who's joining this course, this is a free course. I'm posting this course on YouTube, and I'm also posting this course on my website called onlinecourses.ospro.com. So if you have never heard of it, you can definitely share it with your friends. I'm posting the same course there, so you guys, you can always go on the playlist, the other side, and join the complete course. Then I'll also show you the advanced, the advanced way on how to use jQuery with actually me, OSP Pro. Now, I'm going to break all those stuffs down so that you can always, find it easy. So like I've said, those few things that you need to have with you, it will give me a chance that when anything that I'll be, coming out of me, or any code that I'll be, sharing with you, it will be simply working out with you. You'll work with it, and will not give you a hard time. So I encourage you guys, stay safe, stay at home, and please don't forget to like this channel. Commenting on this video and sharing it with your friends, and also subscribing to my YouTube channel so that each time I happen to make a video, you'll always be notified. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you find it interesting, please subscribe right now. Thank you guys for loving us, and don't forget to join our OSP, one on us online courses.ospro.com, so that you can always get a chance each time I post a video. You'll find the other side in the playlist and you'll enjoy it. Thank you.